To create a Shopify Partners account, start by going to the Shopify Partners website and clicking on the Get Started button. This will take you to a registration page where you will need to enter your email address, password, and other basic information. Once you have filled out the registration form, click on the Create Account button to proceed. You will then receive a verification email from Shopify, which you must open and click on the verification link to activate your account. After verifying your account, you will be taken to the Shopify Partners dashboard, where you can access various tools and resources. The first step is to complete your profile by adding your name, address, and other relevant details. You will also need to add your business information, including your business name, address, and tax identification number. This information is required to comply with Shopify's terms and conditions and to enable you to receive payments from Shopify. Once you have completed your profile and business information, you can start exploring the various features and tools available in the Shopify Partners dashboard. These include the Shopify App Store, where you can develop and sell your own apps, and the Shopify Affiliate Program, where you can earn commissions by promoting Shopify to your audience. To become a successful Shopify partner, it is essential to understand the various programs and tools available and to comply with Shopify's terms and conditions. You should also develop a solid understanding of e-commerce and the Shopify platform, as well as effective marketing and development skills. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a Shopify Partners account and start building a successful and profitable business. As a Shopify partner, the key is to stay focused, work hard, and continually develop your skills and knowledge to stay ahead of the competition. Shopify provides various resources and support to help you get started and succeed as a partner, including documentation, webinars, and community forums. Take advantage of these resources to learn more about the Shopify Partners program and to connect with other partners and experts in the field. By leveraging the Shopify Partners program and following best practices, you can build a successful and profitable business and achieve your goals as an e-commerce entrepreneur.